In today's video, I'm thrilled to introduce the Fry's Crypto Traffic Camera. We'll go through the unboxing, I'll walk you through the setup, and together we'll delve into its incredible earning potential. But here's where it gets even cooler. This isn't just a crypto miner, it's also a security asset that you can link up to your phone, giving you real-time insights anytime you want. So you're not only just earning Fry tokens, but also keeping an eye on things, be it traffic or security. So let's jump into the unboxing. So as you can see here from the packaging, we have a WansView 2K indoor security camera. So from the first off, we can see that we have the instruction manual on how to set this up. Then we have the charging plug. And we have the mounting bracket to attach this to the wall if you need to do so. A couple screws, and down there you can also see the charging cable. And the last thing in the actual box itself is the camera. So overall, the camera's build quality is extremely good. Overall, it's a great piece of tech. Okay, so if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these cameras for yourself, currently they're going for $123. Now, if you do add this to your cart and you go to the promo code section and you type in Farrington, this will save you 25% off the purchasing price, which will bring down the total value of the traffic camera miner to $92.25. That would be a $30.75 saving. Okay, so setting up this device, we do need to follow the instruction manual that is included. So once you've downloaded the app, we're going to need to press on the Add Device and find the device. Once you've added the device, press on Wi-Fi connection by AP. Then once you see the flashing blue and red light, from there you will be successfully reset, and just press on the flashing button from here. Let's press on the connect to the device automatically, and from here we're going to use the camera and scan the QR code on the bottom of the camera. Once you scan this, it will connect it up to its own Wi-Fi network so that you can get it linked to your own Wi-Fi connection. So from here you're going to need to pick your home's Wi-Fi or business Wi-Fi connection from your Wi-Fi settings. So for myself, I'm going to press on my device there, enter your Wi-Fi password, and from here it will take about 120 seconds for it to calibrate and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once the pairing is successful, you receive a notification.
The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
And from here, all you need to do is just name your camera. And as because this is intended to be a indoor traffic camera, all you need to do is just aim this out of a window and point this at a busy road that you live near. Okay, so once you have finished setting up your camera with the app on your phone, what you're going to need to do is take yourself over to the Fry Foundation website, take yourself over to the hardware miner resources, and take yourself over to the all camera miners. Now this is where you register your camera so you can actually start to earn your Fry tokens. So fill in your first, last name, throw in your email address, pop in the Algorand address as well, pop in the order number from when you purchased the miner, and then you'll need to select the miner location. So for this camera in Pacific, it's an indoor camera, and we're also going to be using this for the traffic as well. So there's two options there as well for the wildlife and sky, but make sure you press on the correct one. And I'll also be throwing in a clip to show you guys how you can grab yourself your RSTP streaming link so that you can throw this in to this also. To grab our RSTP streaming link, we're going to click on the cog, go to local application, we're going to press on the RTSP, and then we're going to copy one of the links that we can see down below. Press on copy, and then press on save, and then paste that into this section. And for those of you that are interested, the setup and how-to guide will pretty much work on all of the camera miners. So if you're interested in purchasing one of the cameras that you do see on the list here, feel free to use the coupon and save yourself 25% off the purchase price. I'll leave all the links for you guys down in the description so you can check this out for yourself. Okay, so let's talk about the profitability, how much you can earn, and let's talk about ROI on a device like this. So currently at the moment, for the Fry daily earnings for an indoor traffic camera, which as I've shown you guys today on how to set that up, the unverified earnings is 215 coins, 0.72, and the verified will be 647.16. Now, I don't know too much about the verified, but that information is coming out next month, so you guys can get those verified up. But for the unverified earnings at the moment, if we was to copy this and take ourselves over to the coin market cap, you'll be able to see here that you would be earning around about 20 cents per day for this device. device. Now, don't forget, this is a, multi-purpose use, asset, really. You can use this as a security CCTV camera. You could use this in your garage. You could monitor anything, for security reasons. And at the same time, for the electricity use that this is using, like I said, this is only using, one USB port to power itself. This isn't using, a lot of power. This is very, very, eco-friendly and efficient to run. And for the sake of 20 cents per day, you'd be able to, start to, generate quite a reasonable amount of income, and the ROI on that isn't going to be too bad. Okay, so let's have a look at how much we would earn if we was to be verified. So if we take ourselves back over to CoinMarketCap, we've got the amount in there that would be around about 61 cents per day. So that, give or take, would be around about 130-day ROI, something along those lines, once you're able to get these devices verified up. More information on this will be coming out next month. I'll do my best to keep you guys updated with as much of that information as I can do. So make sure to jump into our Discord and check me out on Twitter for more information when that comes out. Okay guys, I also thought I'd use this moment as well to remind you guys that we do currently have a giveaway going on at the moment from the last video, turning weather into cryptocurrency, where you get one of the high-end weather miners from the Fry Foundation. So if you check the link down in the description, I'll leave a link to the video, and I'll also leave a link to the tweet if you guys want to participate and enter for yourself. Also, I wanted to make sure that I take this time to thank the Fry Foundation for sponsoring today's video and sending out the camera so that I'm able to do this video. Really appreciate it, guys, and look forward to working with you in the future and to see where this project is going to be going forward. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Would like to say thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to share this video with your friends, and like I say, if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these cameras for yourself, make sure to use Farrington in the promo code section, and I'll leave all the links for you guys down in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.